Hi there. This video is to demonstrate to you how to use Upeo Academy, and the link is upeo.academy, and of course here we have the navigation. I'm going to come back to that later. We have the homepage, so if you want to learn a bit about Upeo.academy, you can go through this content in the homepage. You also have this about page, so if you click on this, you are also going to find a bit more about Upeo Academy, and also about me, who is the founder of Upeo Academy. In the user guide, this is where you are going to find the video, and also you are going to find a bit more information there, so you can go through it and know how to use the platform. Here you have the community wall. The community wall is where we are going to be having most of the conversations. So the people, or rather the users that are in the system and are commenting and are doing that, this and that, all those comments are going to be coming to the community wall. I decided to put them to the community wall so that people can decide to either reply to them, or if no one replies to them, I can go ahead and reply. So here, if there could be questions, there could be comments about how the courses are, and so much, so on and so forth. And I'm also going to be showing you how to post your information there when we are logged in. So if you want to see, for example, here we can see there's one reply. If you want to see what the reply is, you just need to click on this button that says one reply here, and it's going to show you what that reply is. Then you can click on this go back to take you back. If you come down here, you're going to see, for example, like this one by Muhammad has 2 replies. If you click on it, you're able to view those replies there, and then you can go back. Then here we have the contact us page. So if you want to reach out to us, you can go ahead and reach out to us either through WhatsApp. So if you just click on this, it's going to get to us immediately. Then of course you need to type a message. This is the email, and then these are basically a section that shows you why most of the people contact us. And then here we have a form. So if you prefer to write a form so that you can have probably a lengthy description of what you want help with, here you can fill this form and send. It's going to come to us as well. Also, if you are attached and you want to buy us a coffee, buy me a coffee, you can go ahead and click that, and the coffee is going to get to me. So all this is available before you log in. So when you log in, for example, let's even before I log in, if this is your first time here, you don't have an account, you need to click on this get started button. When you go there, this is the welcome page, so you need to put in your email there, and then click on this send verification code. It's going to send you a code to your mail. You need to verify it, and then you are going to be able to log into the account. So if I log in here, for example, let me log in with my account. So you just need the email and the address and the password. Once you are inside, the first place that the system brings you, or the platform brings you, is the dashboard, and this is your specific dashboard. So for example, here I can see that I have done 3 out of 11 videos, and so on and so forth, and the videos that I have not finished and I have watched a bit are going to display here. So what this tells me is that I have started watching this video, I didn't finish, and then I skipped to this other video which I also didn't finish. So if I click on manage your modules, it's going to take me to the list of videos. You see that? This is where it's going to bring us. Now, remember, you are at the dashboard. If you click on this here, we have courses. This is where we are currently. So this ideally shows you, for example, the courses that you see have a tick are the ones that I have completed. And you remember when you were at the dashboard, it told me that we had 3 completed courses, and they are these ones, this and that one. All these others I have not completed. But if I open them, for example, if I click on this view, this is where I am able to watch the video. So if I click on this, I can play the video, and then I can continue watching that. Now, if I want to rate this video, you see this has 8 ratings, and the average rating is 5. So this is great. So if, for example, I want to rate it less, I can just click on that, and that's going to get sent. You see now this has gone down to 4.8 because of this rating of mine. If I rate it 4, immediately it rates immediately. If I want it to be 5, and I hope that everybody rates it 5, of course, depending on how the video is, you rate it 5. Now, if I watch, you can see this watch percentage. This keeps track of your progress as you go. So this is how the platform is able to tell whether you have completed a video or not, a video or a lesson, depending on how you want to call it. This is what checks whether you have completed a lesson or not. So if you have not completed, it's going to be showing on your dashboard as an incomplete. And when you come back, of course, just like YouTube behaves, this is going to show you to start exactly where you left last time. So it's not going to start going back. All right. Now, if you want to leave a comment, this is where you leave your comment. So if you have a question, maybe something was not clear, if you want to share with the community what your experience was, this is where you leave a comment. All right. So if you put something here, this post button is going to get active and you can click on post, and it is going to go to the community wall, this one, the one that we saw earlier. Going back here, that was courses. Dashboard we already saw. This is the dashboard. And then when I go back here, we have the leaderboard. This is the place where the 10 people with the highest points are going to be listed. The points are here. And then the other thing is the profile. The profile is important. Remember that I said that you are building a job marketplace for this thing, and therefore your profile is very, very important. So here you can change your profile photo. You can go ahead and scroll and pick your photo and then attach. And when you attach a photo, if you click on this edit button, you need to save it. So currently the save button is not there because there is no change. So if I, for example, actually let me show you, even if I collapse that, I come here and then I pick this other icon, this is going to automatically open and the save button is there. So now this is the photo that I am trying to set. Sorry for the background noise. I don't know where a child is. I think he or she is very happy. So there you go. You can change the logo like that, but you need to click on save. Let me change it back to my profile photo. And then I click on select. Now this is the place where you put a description about yourself. So this is what is going to be showing way by to the probably the people looking for people to employ. And then something very, very important here. You notice that every time we publish a video on the platform, you receive an email. If you don't want to receive those emails, you just need to uncheck this. You see this says, not email me when new videos are published. If you don't want those emails every time, just uncheck that and save, and you are not going to be receiving those emails every time. So that is going probably to save you a number of notifications. Personally, I want to receive them, so I'm going to save. So when you put this, for example, you need to pick a username. Level is going to be automatically populated, so you don't need to do anything there. If you want to put in your company, you can do that. It's not mandatory. Then country is going to be automatically populated. You can put your headline here, so what you want the community to see you, how you want the community to see you, and then here a basic bio, 500 characters about you. So that's also going to be important because in the community wall, you notice that when, for example, I go here, I click on this, this is what people are going to see. So they are going to see your photo, your name, your username, the headline that you put there, the level. Currently, most of the people are at the beginner level. And then here we have the bio you put. Then the activity, your activity here is going to show. So this is also what people are going to be seeing. So that's why you need to be active here, probably helping people and doing that and doing the other. Because this way, employers are also able to see that you're also helping other people, and therefore you probably know what you are doing within ERPNext. So it's very important that you stay active on the community wall. Keep responding to questions. Get those people asking you this and that, and then if you are able to respond to the questions that people are asking, you will be at a very good position to land opportunities. So that is it in a nutshell. If you have any questions, and by the way, before I finish, the courses, you notice that this one I have subscribed. So you need to subscribe to a level before you can start seeing the units. All right. So the videos are going to be coming as we go. Currently, I'm working on the master data essentials. Videos are going to be showing here soon. And then from there, we are going to be going into buying cycles. And then we are going to go into level 2, which is intermediate level. And then after that, we are going to be going into advanced level. So this is probably going to take the next couple of months, and therefore you need to get on board. Now, not all videos are going to be free on, not free rather, but public on YouTube. So currently all these videos are public on YouTube. If you see, and you can see, for example, this one is saying I have completed. All these videos are currently public on YouTube, but after some time I'm going to start making private videos. So that is the reason why you should be in the academy, because I know I didn't answer that question earlier. And let me stop this video here. If you have any further questions, remember we have the contact section here. Always feel free to drop me or us a line, whether through mail or through this number here, and we are glad to assist you. Thank you so much, and see you in the academy.